Good morning, children. I, Miss Sylvia, will take English from now on, Standard 3. I'll be taking your English class. In the previous session, in the previous class, that is in the month of April, Miss Cynthia has taken your English classes. But now on, I will be taking your English classes. So, to begin with, the first chapter from your main course book is a beautiful poem. And the title of the poem is O Summer. Everybody knows what is summer. So we are going to learn many important things that happens or takes place during summer. It's a beautiful poem by written by Drishti Bandojappan. The poem title is O Summer. In the month of April, Cynthia ma'am showed you how to make with origami a hand fan, and she also taught you how to make lemonade, that is lime juice. She told you how to make lemonade and she taught you how to make or prepare a hand fan. So that was based on this lesson of poem O Summer. Now what is summer? A small introduction I'll give it to you. We have 3 seasons. One is winter, rainy, and of course the summer. Soon after summer, we get the rainy season that we call it as the monsoon season, which is now going on. And in winter, you feel very cold. The climate, the weather is very cold. Of course, it is pleasant. When you have to go out, you have to wear warm clothes. You have to drink hot tea, coffee, soup, or any other thing that will keep you hot. But in rain, you need to wear a raincoat, a rainy shoe or a rainy sandal, gum boots, and a cap, and you will find people all around moving with umbrellas. So now this is the rainy season going on, which you will find many people going on. In fact, your parents who are working will go out wearing a raincoat, they will carry umbrella, they will wear a cap, they will wear a jacket, all possible things so that they don't get wet because they have to go out to work every day. So you know the difference between rainy season, winter season and summer season. In rainy season, that is monsoon season, 3 months we have rainfall where crops are grown, we get water sufficient, fresh water, we store it for our future or for our further use in rain. Plants grow well, everywhere there is greenery, the cattle get green, fresh grass to eat, new plants grow. In winter, crops grow, yet but the climate is very dull, you can say. For some, it is good, for some, it is not good, especially for the sick people or the elderly people who cannot control the weather or climate, the cold. You need to wear warm clothes, socks, cap, muffler, sweater, and you have to eat hot food, whether it is breakfast or lunch or dinner, and then you have to drink hot tea or coffee, you have to drink hot tea or coffee or hot soup so that your body gets heated. Now coming back to the poem, O Summer. What reminds you, children? O summer. Summer is the hot season. What comes to your mind when we talk about summer? Yes? Now to begin with, 6 things that come to our mind when we think about summer. When summer season starts, the climate is very hot and you're sweating and everywhere hot air, and you get frustrated, you get irritated, you want to go out, relax yourself, and you get break from your school, that is you get a summer break, so it is relaxation time for you to have fun with your friends and family and relatives. So what are the 6 things that comes to my mind when summer begins or when I think about summer days? So when I think about summer days, these are the six things that comes to my mind. First of all, we are away from school, we have a vacation, we are finished with our annual examination, and then it's a break time. So we plan to go for a water park. We want to spend time in the water park, enjoy, have fun. So water park reminds you in the month of summer. Next one, when the weather or climate is very hot and you feel very thirsty every now and then, you want to drink water, cold drinks, but still you don't satisfy. Your thirst doesn't get over. Then you want to have ice cream. Do you eat ice cream in rainy season? Do you eat ice cream in winter season? No, not much. Only maybe during certain events or certain functions or ceremonies you might have in the month of winter, or sometimes maybe in rain, but not usually. But in summer, you feel like eating ice creams almost every day because of the weather condition. Then in summer, we get plenty of seasonal fruits, that is mango, sweet and juicy mangoes. Sweet and juicy mangoes, which is available only in summer season. You enjoy yourself with the goodness of mangoes. So you get mangoes only in summer season. Then you feel like going to different beaches with your family for picnics, your friends or relatives, or if your grandparents are staying somewhere in coastal areas or your aunt uncle staying in coastal areas, you feel like going there and spending time with them because you get a chance to go and visit the beaches, you get a chance to play in the water. So you feel like going to the beaches. And in usually in summer season, you will find every house, the fridge will be full with cold drinks, different kinds of cold drinks, variety, juices, squash bottles, everything, lassi, so many things, buttermilk, because it is the demand of the season. You feel very thirsty, you sweat, your body gets dehydrated, the water content in the body becomes less, and you want to drink more and more liquid so that your body balances. So these are the 6 things that comes to my mind when I think of summer days. Water park, ice cream, watermelon, or all the different seasonal fruits that is available in summer, mango. We feel like going to different beaches, enjoying there, and all different kinds of cold drinks, including lassi, buttermilk, and many other what mommy makes at home. So all these things can be enjoyed only during summer. Now what is poem? What is poem? Poem is nothing, children, but the imagination of a person, the imagination of a poet, our feelings, what we see in and around, what happens in the house, what we see in our dreams, what happens in the classroom, what happens in nature, that comes to our mind, and those thoughts we pen it down on a piece of paper, giving it a proper meaning, a proper sentence. That is called poem writing. Poems don't happen, you have to create. You need creativity. So anything that comes to your mind or any message you want to give, anything you want to share, if you write it down in a poetic language with certain words or certain different words used in the poem are called as poem. So this poem, I guess Cynthia ma'am has already briefed you about summer. She has showed you how to make a hand fan. She also showed you how to prepare a lemonade. Yes? Today, I will give you a small introduction to the poem. It's all about summer. The feelings of a child during summer season. What he does or she does, or what other things happen in summer. Exactly. Summer is beautiful. You get to enjoy because after vacation, after your annual exam, you get a summer break. You can go and spend time with your relatives or grandparents or uncle, or you can go with your family to different places because you need not worry about your school and exam and books and homework. Secondly, we get to enjoy the seasonal fruits that are available in the summer season like mango, watermelon, marshmallow, grapes, jackfruit, many other fruits which is available only in summer. You get a chance to go to all the beaches because you cannot go in the month of monsoon, that is rainy season, because rainy season you are restricted to going to beaches. You feel like going to different beaches, enjoy there, spend time, have fun as a holiday or as a picnic, as an outing. Then you keep hunting where which water park is good, where you can go and enjoy, have fun with your family or with your friends. So all these things happens only in summer, summer season. You will hardly find people going in winter season to the water parks or to the beaches. Very rare. And this is the right time that you can go because you're relaxed, away from school, summer break, exams are over, results are out, and your mind is free so that you can enjoy and take the most advantage of the summer break. For some, summer is very, uh, you can say, for some, they enjoy summer season. For some, they don't enjoy summer season because they can't stand the heat. They can't bear the heat. And some people, some elderly people, they cannot have ice creams or cold drinks or lassi or buttermilk because of their health issue. So there are two different views or um, ideas about summer. But as a child, you can enjoy the most because it's time for you to enjoy because once your summer is over and then it starts with monsoon, you have to go back to school and start again a new academic year. So this was a small introduction to the poem. I hope you have understood. If not, when we have our online class, you ask your doubts, I will clear it. So this was a small introduction to the poem O Summer. In the next session, in the next class, I will explain to you the poem stanza by stanza. There are 6 stanzas in this poem, beautifully written by the poet. So, line by line, I will explain to you. So, till then, take care and be safe.